Welcome back to the Daros Lab. Last week I introduced you to the Manta feeding project. This week I will show you how to collect and process these plankton samples. I sample plankton by doing plankton pulls from the boat, working with the skipper to record the data and to drag the net about 50 meters in the water. The net has a flow meter reading the exact volume of water filtered, which I will need in the biomass calculations later. In the lab, I split the sample in half, one for biomass and one for species identification. For biomass, I want to get rid of all the water, so I filter all the water out using a spatula to unclog the sieve and transfer on a piece of foil to dehydrate in a dehydrator. Using the dry weight and the volume of water filtered, I can calculate the biomass to determine the prey density threshold. The other half for identification of zooplankton species is very delicate, so no spatula is used. For this one, I leave a bit of water and fix with 5% formaldehyde. I will then ID the species under the microscope, and the environmental drivers are also studied. Before we can even consider protecting any species, it is essential to understand their behavior in the natural environment. And these insights will then guide in the establishment of effective regulations to manage them and save our seas. Visit the website to learn more about the project.